2019 Dodge Challenger V6. It's got factory converters there and there. Then it's got a factory X pipe, 2 1/4. Then a 2 1/4 resonators in the middle. Then we did 2 muffler deletes off the back and put flow effects in their place. Right there and right there. I know you guys love when you hear right there. There it is. It's got the tips built into the valance, the back bumper already. There it is. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Yes? Yeah, that's perfect. I don't think you want it louder than that. He didn't want any drone inside, and I think the way we did it, he's not gonna get any drone. Give it gas. Yeah, it's about 95. It's perfect.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah. Too much technology these days, man. Challenger. 2019.